is an unknown Sansui monoblock. It's got a B-705 output transformer, C-901 choker, and some crazy, it's got a Rex power transformer in there. No model number on it, but it's at the writing mate. They're designed for LP, so I have the cage for this too. It's really pretty awesome, actually. This is a early Sansui piece in incredible condition. So I usually don't like to tell people to drool, but this one should make you drool a little bit. Just wish I had two of them. Not even using preamp right now. I was just powering it up and testing for audio, and it came to life. It's beautiful. Anyways, thank you.